Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, Microsoft is investigating something that is mostly in North America. Now it's slowly getting back to normal. So at this time, maybe things are okay. Two things that were inaccessible, you could not get online with the Office.com or Office 365 websites. You could have had some issues with Office software also. Another thing that was a problem was a lot of people complaining that Copilot was inaccessible, so you couldn't really get anything. If you look at it here, there's definitely a big spike in Copilot and in Office problems. This morning, from 7 a.m. this morning, it's still not, back to 100% normal. But there's definitely they're fixing the problem as it seems to be better and better over time. So if you still have some connectivity issues concerning the Office suite, Office.com, Office 365, or accessing Copilot because it doesn't seem to want to work, Microsoft is still apparently investigating and fixing the issue, which is most of the time a configuration error. It is very, very often a human error of config of some sort that makes this happen. So hopefully things are back to normal at this time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.